What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So I am coming to you from my computer desk because the video I filmed yesterday did not record any of the audio. None of it. Yay! So without further ado, let's get into how to style the textured wavy hairstyle. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to do before styling our hair is, of course, wash and partially dry our hair with a towel. Next thing we're going to do while our hair is still wet, we are going to apply Ocean Clay by Shavu. Now, the reason I like to use Ocean Clay for this particular wavy, voluminous, textured hairstyle is because it provides a lot of natural shine and it also provides a lot of hold. It's going to be able to give you that fingers through your hair type of look, which I really enjoy. So I'm getting about the size of a dime, not very much at all. I'm going to emulsify it in my hand, and then we're going to start working it through the hair. As you can see, starting from the back and then moving my way up to the front. I don't want a ton of product on the front area, just enough to provide some support. A lot of it's going on the middle and the back of the head. So now that I've got the hair product applied, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my hairdryer and get to work on shaping this hairstyle. A lot of this hairstyle comes from the hairdryer itself, not from the product. It's the way that you manipulate your hair with the heat of the hairdryer that gives you that wavy, textured look. So I'm gonna start blowing my hair from the back forward just to create some volume. Also from side to side, just to, again, set the way that the hair is supposed to lay. And then here's the important part. I'm going to grab a section of my hair, twist it with my hand sort of, and push it down while I'm blowing heat up into it. So what this is doing is basically creating the waviness in the hairstyle. By scrunching up my hair, pushing it down, twisting it, and moving it in a way like that when I'm applying the heat is going to solidify it in that position. It's almost the same concept of using a curling iron, except you're using your hands to create waves. So I'm gonna do that all over the fringe of my hair. Make sure I lock in those waves the way that I want them to. And again, just keep twisting your hair, going through, pushing it down, manipulating the fringe area of your hair. Again, you're trying to add as much texture here as possible by doing this. So the more you do it, the better. And as you can see, I'm already starting to get a crazy amount of waviness and texture in the hair just here in the very beginning. And after we've applied all that heat to the hair, especially when we're applying it that close in order to get this kind of hold and volume and waviness, you're gonna wanna go through and blast your hair with some cool air. So you're just diffusing the heat out of your hair with the cool setting on the hairdryer, and this is also going to lock it into place. So I'm using the cool setting to blow the heat out, but also using it to go ahead and start to shape the hairstyle in the way that I want it to sit. As you can see, you can do some stuff with some hair coming down on the side, or you can also just have it pulled straight back. However you like it best for your particular hairstyle, you can go a bunch of different ways with this look, which is why it's one of my personal favorites. All right, guys, and here's pretty much the final results. As you can see, I've achieved a ton of texture, a ton of waviness on the fringe part of my hair, and also achieved a decent amount of volume in the hairstyle as well. So this is a really easy way to get texture and volume out of your hairstyle, even if you have straight, flat hair. You can create waviness, you can create curliness and texturization like this by just applying a little bit of product and manipulating your hair a little bit with heat. But of course, always remember to go through with the cool settings so you're not damaging your hair or anything like that. All right, guys, and that's pretty much how you style the textured wavy hairstyle. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Before we head out, I want to thank today's video sponsor, Rose Gold and Black, for always supporting the channel. Guys, they have some of the most amazing men's accessories on the market. Anything from watches, rings, bracelets, necklaces, they've got you covered. And again, it is for an incredible price point. Be sure to click on the link in the description of this video. Head over to rosegoldandblack.com. There is an exclusive discount code associated with that link so you can get it for an even better price than what it's already at. And again, it will help you take your style game up to the next level without breaking the bank. So again, visit rosegoldandblack.com and grab yourself some awesome accessories today. All right, guys, and that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button down below. Drop any comments or questions that you have for me in the comment section down below. If you're new around here, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can know when I post next. And I'll see you in the next video. I'm out.